If life is a river, your heart is a boat, and just like water, baby, born to float. And if life is a wild wind that blows way on high, and your heart is Amelia, dying to fly, heaven knows no frontiers, and I've seen heaven in your eyes. And if life is a barroom in which we must wait, round the man with his fingers on the ivory gates, where we sing until dawn of our fears and our fates, and we stag all the dead men in self-addressed rates. In your eyes, fate, as a singing of a love, that somehow this black night feels warm for his heart.